We're gonna learn in this video how you can use the OBS Virtual Camera for Ome TV. This video is meant just for educational, informational and demonstration purposes only. Even if you use the OBS Virtual Camera for Ome TV, make sure to show your face properly while you are video chatting inside the Ome TV. Firstly, you're gonna exit the Ome TV website on the browser, close it. You're gonna make sure that the OBS Studio is properly installed on the PC. Now follow the link in description to get this file here, OBS Cam Registry Fixer from the media file, and just download this. I have already downloaded this file. It's in desktop. Let me show you this one here, OBS Cam Registry Fixer. It's in zip form. We're gonna have to extract, right click and then extract. We've got the extracted folder. Let's go inside it. Once again, these two are registry files. You can see here registration entries. These are totally safe. If you right click and go to edit, you can see here this will rename your OBS Virtual Camera to this name, SD Webcam C252. These files are just for renaming the OBS Virtual Camera. Now you can open it and just enter yes, okay. And for the second one, yes, okay. Once it's done, close it. Now let's go to the second step. We're gonna go to search box, type in here device manager, go to device manager, expand the cameras inside the device manager, and you're gonna disable the default camera of your PC, that is integrated camera here. You might have any other names for this, just disable. Once you disable the default camera, minimize. Now you're gonna launch your browser and we're gonna reach to camera settings inside the Chrome. So you can directly go here, Chrome settings content camera. This text is given in description. Just copy and paste it on the URL box and enter. It will bring you inside the camera settings. Now click on the drop down arrow, and if you have multiple cameras here, select this one, SD Webcam C252. Once it's done, we can now launch the Ome TV. As you can see, it's loaded the OBS Virtual Camera. Now go to device manager back, and you can enable the default camera, enable device. Once it's done, close this. Now launch OBS. You're gonna come to the sources section inside the OBS, click on plus, select video capture device, enter, and select your camera as integrated camera. Just click on OK. Now just click on start virtual camera. Once you do this, minimize and go to Ome TV website. It has just loaded the OBS Virtual Camera. Now any changes you make inside the OBS will be shown on Ome TV. Let's make few changes here. Let's select filters, plus, let's sharpen the image. If I increase the sharpness, close here. If I go to Ome TV, this change has been shown inside the Ome TV. That means it's working. So that's how we can use the OBS Virtual Camera for Ome TV. As I mentioned earlier, just make sure to show your face properly while you're video chatting inside the Ome TV, even if you use the virtual camera. So just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.